Expand your knowledge with our Honeywell Fire-Lite Academy hands-on training. Skyrocket your education with the FED Learning Center by registering for our free Honeywell Fire-Lite Academy hands-on training. Plus, earn CEUs while you learn. The FED Learning Center is an approved provider of CEUs and NICET approved for professional development hours. Check with FED Learning Center to learn if we're approved in your state. Our free Fire-Lite OEM training certification is designed for Fire-Lite customers. Here's what you'll learn: an understanding of basic fire principles, how to designate what products may be used to provide initiation of a fire condition and then allow notification so that lives may be saved and property preserved, how to correct defective systems and programming for applications that include HVAC, floor above, floor below, elevator recall, and door closure functions. You can learn all of this at one of our 5 campuses, empowering techs with our hands-on training. Register now at fedlearningcenter.com.